Hello my dear YouTubers. I really want to show you this product that I received. It's wireless Apple and Android CarPlay. So if you have like Toyota with like the older Toyota, let's say 2019, and it does not have a wireless capability for your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, this box will do a magic for you. So this little wireless USB adapter, it's from Car ABC company. It will make your life so much easier. You don't have to use a wire anymore to have your Apple CarPlay. You just connect it through the USB data port, and this box works very fast and works very well. You can plug it in any vehicle that has a USB data port, and you can have wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. As you see here, it says CarPlay Android Auto wireless USB adapter. This is the brand, Car ABC. Product information on the back. It supports your OEM car converter wired to wireless. It's very easy to use, very easy to install. It says plug and play, non-inductive connection, fast connection. It says 2.4 gigahertz plus 5 gigahertz, Bluetooth 5.0. So when you open up this box, and this is the unit itself, it looks so cute. It's like a little pill. Very nice and light. It says Car ABC. This is our plug where we plug it in. Yeah, very nice. Underneath here we have two cables that come with this unit. We got this kind of cable, USB-C to USB. And we have this kind of connector with a USB-C connection on both ends. So this end goes in, plugs in into your USB data cable in your car. And this one plugs in into this unit right here. Let's go try it in my car. I do not have a wireless CarPlay. It's all wired. But in the newer models on the Toyotas, they have a wireless. So this is our data port right here, USB data port, and it will work on the other vehicle. It's 2015 and higher models. As long as you have this USB data port, this should work. Plug this in the back, and let's plug it in here. I already paired this device. It's super easy. When you connect it, it's going to say pairing. Just allow for pairing. You can just tuck it away here. And on the top here, we're going to say I don't want to play the music right now because it works so nice, guys. All the options here, everything touchscreen, everything works. These are my apps. This is my Pandora, Google Maps. Let's say Google Maps. It works pretty fast. Let's hit this. I already made phone calls, and there were no interruptions in signal. My wife, it's funny. Let's say recent contacts. So everything works just like the original Apple CarPlay, but this is just wireless. You see my phone is not connected. It's just this little box here. You can hide this thing over here. Just buy like a double-sided 3M tape and just hide it, like push it back there, and that's it, you know. Just hide it like this. And this box is very light. And like I said, it works very, very well. It works very good. I had a video from I had some other videos with a different box, but this one actually works faster. You see it? All right, I want to show you this 1 second. I made a phone call. I turn on the radio, and it works very loud. I'm really enjoying this. It's a really nice little tiny box from this company, Car ABC. And now you have a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android. But with the iPhone, it works very good. If you want to exit, just hit home and you're at your normal main screen of your radio. You have menu, you have all the settings, you know. If you want to go back to CarPlay, just hit CarPlay. See how fast it works? Yeah, very nice little box. So all these controls work. You see I'm hitting this plus button, and then the volume goes up and down. You can push this button. Siri pops out and you can ask her questions and you can make phone calls. So it turns on the radio and you can. So all these controls on your steering wheel work just like with the original Apple CarPlay. The only thing, you just hide this, put a double-sided 3M tape, and you can just hide this little box like here, and that's it. There's a little hole right here. I'm just gonna guide this cable up. Definitely keeping this box because I like the way it connects. It's very fast, it's light, it's very simple. But the other unit that I have, this one, it's like I said, it's more advanced, has more options and features, but I'm just gonna keep this basic one. It works quite nice, and I don't have to deal with all the cables. And there you have it. It comes with a nice little user manual. It explains all the options, how to set it up right here. Very nice colored pictures. Tells you how to connect to the USB. This is very, very simple. All I did, just plug it in and turn on my Bluetooth and just allow the pairing, and that was it. Only like about 10 seconds or 15 seconds and it already connects. So there are instructions in different languages too. Very simple, very nice. Everything works as it should. When you press this map button, the map turns on. When you press this button, you go back to the main screen. Everything works. I really like this small wireless unit. See, it's tucked away in there. It works very good. There are no interruption in signal. I tested it out for about a few days already, and all the functions worked. Everything is good. Map is very good, and it connects very quickly. It connects to the phone maybe like less than 10 seconds, and it works. And I like the feature, like you just press map and it works. You don't have to plug in any wires. Your phone automatically connected. And you want to make a phone call, go ahead. Yeah, everything works as it should. One thing you have to be careful with that cable. If you bend it certain way, it gets damaged, then you might have a problem with connection. But I kind of tucked it underneath, as you see there, and it's just sitting there. Nice. Thank you for watching Nazareto's channel. I hope this video was helpful. And this product, I'm keeping it. This was sent to me from this company, the Car ABC. I'm definitely keeping this product. And a personal opinion, I think it works quite well. And I've been testing it for a few days already. And I'm pretty satisfied with it.